Malmo Export is one of India's oldest manufacturers of organic cotton products. Back then, when sustainability and eco-friendly were just concepts people were catching up on. Our facility was already supplying conscious buyers with solutions to their daily lives. We are always trying to reinvent ourselves by providing alternative to our buyers with newer fabrics like banana, hemp, cotton, and most recently recycled PET and cellulosic fibers.
The entire world is talking about the sustainability as the way forward. It primarily has three pillars: economic, social and environment. These pillars forms very basic foundation of Malmo Export.
We are extremely proud of the fact that we are GOTS certified facility with an SA8000 certification. We are among the first few companies in India to have this certification. We hold our employees in highest regards and treat every member like a family.
नमस्ते, माझं नाव ज्योती मांडे. इथली कंपनी खूप छान आहे. आम्ही सगळे हसत खेळत काम करतो. आम्हालाही कसलाही प्रॉब्लेम नसतो.
मी अपूर्वा देसाई. काही वर्षांपूर्वी इथे शेजारीच एका कंपनीत काम करत असताना मला ह्या कंपनीची माहिती मिळाली. काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तरी आम्ही डायरेक्ट जाऊन ऑफिसमध्ये स्टाफमध्ये कोणाशी बोललो तरी आमचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह होतात.
इथे पगार आम्हाला वेळेवर मिळतं, लोन फॅसिलिटी आहे, सुट्ट्या वगैरे आम्हाला मिळतात, फर्स्ट एडची ट्रेनिंग, फायर ब्रिगेडची ट्रेनिंग सगळे आम्हाला इथे मिळतं. इथली लोक वगैरे सगळे आम्ही हसत खेळत सगळे काम करत असतो. म्हणून आम्हाला मालमो खूप आवडते.
From interest-free education loans to provident fund and gratuity, Malmo Export is one of the few manufacturers that holds the highest value both in terms of environment and well-being of the employees.
As a product developer and sampling in charge, my role is to constantly use innovative ideas, newer techniques and fabrics so that we come up with a variety of samples to offer our clients.
Our facility specializes in all kinds of bags, pouches and accessories made from woven fabrics as well as knitted fabrics.
Malmo is now completing more than 30 years in manufacturing organic textile products, and we have been exporting to almost 16 countries, and we have more than 40 satisfied customers who are working with us for more than 20 years.